Yeah, my people, welcome back to another video. So we have another update on what is happening after Hurricane Mellisa. Yeah man, you know me to go for St. Thomas, but we decided to go for St. Elizabeth today to check out what it is like over there. As you know, storm passed right through there, and God know the scenes that we saw, nothing could prepare you for that. Yeah man, from you enter St. Elizabeth, you start to see damage. The roadsides were gutted out, trees down, houses, the zincs peel off, shingles gone, utility poles on the ground broken. The amount of mud even in Santa Cruz town, I could not believe it. A lot of places in there were damaged. You're gonna see it in the rest of this video. And the thing is, I couldn't even get to capture it properly because of the part of the vehicle that I was sitting in. And also I don't have my drone. If I had my drone, the story from above would be completely different. Yeah man, and I also didn't have anything charged up, as my GoPro has one battery that isn't good and I've been using it for 3 years. Yeah man, so I use it normal with my drone batteries because that can be used as a power bank, but because of where I live in St. Thomas, it's under low voltage, cannot charge anything, so we'll go with one battery and we capture some stuff, at least try. But when I look at it, I realize that I'm far better off than most of the persons over here in St. Elizabeth, due to the facts that a lot of them aren't going to get back light for the next probably like 6-7 months, to how much damage to the electrical infrastructure that has been done. Them not gonna get back light right now, and the cleaning up, as I stated before with the mud, couldn't believe the amount of mud I see. So I don't even have the words to experience it. I hear a person saying that a YouTuber came and said what's going on in St. Elizabeth is like some AI images, and it is not as bad as everyone is saying. But let me tell you something. You see, watching it from the video, you don't get grasp the idea of how bad it is unless you're in the parish. Hey man, if you're in the parish, you see how much, because you see a lot more. Because remember, you know, we cannot show everything, especially if we don't have like a 360 camera. You cannot see all around us. When you're there, you can see around you differently from what the camera is showing, so you can grasp the devastation. Yeah man, a lot of persons say through in St. Thomas and other news team are saying it's gonna be catastrophic damage. Oh, there wasn't any catastrophic damage in the country. I was on the east. This is over on the west. Over on the east, we got rain and breeze, and we could stand up in it. Over here, it doesn't want to do that, because remember, you know, zinc fly everywhere. Look at upon that zinc. Zinc fly everywhere, trees fly everywhere, water come down from all angles, mud. You couldn't stand up over here, sir. You'd lose your life, I tell you. But we're going to the town, and don't worry if the video is all over the place. This is because I don't really know the place. I got through so much place yesterday. It's just like everything confusing for me right now. I don't remember every which part I go. So I just show you as though I put it in the video editor. But trust me people, this storm was real, and it was a nightmare experience for these persons over here in St. Elizabeth. I know that Westmoreland is mashed up too. I know that Montego Bay is also mashed up. I don't know if we can reach there soon, because that's going to take a lot of gas money plus the equipment needed for those. We don't have all of that right now, but we just take the time and do what we can do. We'll try to come back to St. Elizabeth because we got some part, talk to some people, and want to know what happened to them. Also, if you have families and friends in St. Elizabeth, it's going to be quite hard to get to them, because all of the utility poles, all of the internet is down at the moment, and nobody knows when those are going to be available back to the public again, unless they decide to try and travel out of the parish. Yeah man, you can't call nobody, no internet, no light, no signal on your phone. So trust me, it's gonna be a while for you get into contact the persons over there. I think we'll go down into the town now. I'm not sure what here's the name. As I say, I'm not from St. Elizabeth, so I'm not sure where it name. But I think we'll go into the town and you're gonna see how bad it gets as we go along. Man, tell you, we just have to pray for the people in St. Elizabeth. You can just imagine at night how long these nights are going to be, because as the sun sets and the sun goes down, night starts coming like morning cannot come, because you don't have no light, you can't register anything around you, just total darkness for most persons. Some persons have telcos or generators as you call them and can get light, but not everyone has them. Some people have solar light, but not everyone has solar lights. So you can just imagine the darkness. But at least their families in most cases are big, so they can interact with each other. But that alone not help, because they are still recovering mentally from the devastation that they just faced. Yeah man, it's a very bad scene in St. Elizabeth. But I hope with these little clips you can get some sense of an idea of what took place in St. Elizabeth, even though we didn't get the chance to really cover much. I have some more videos. I don't remember the name. I think it's Hestica or Hestine. I don't remember the name. Sorry if I'm butchering the name, but I think it's Hestica that we went, and I tried to do some more videos over there and the next place, but I ran out of charge. I'm gonna try and upload that video also after this one, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so I'm gonna leave you here to watch on.
There to come from. I road them would have clear it off.
I stockpile it.